know about this. Is this legal? I mean, ring the bell. We're doing weight classes, right? I mean, like, what's going on? Come on, guys. Get back. Come on. Back it up. Back it up. Get him back. Bring it back. Get back. Come on. You know what? Come on, he pulled my hair, people. I'm just fall. Why is the big guy like that? Back him up! Back him up! Back, Ram. Got him back? We're still going, Ross. Come on in. Come on. Go, guys. Wrestle. Be different this time. Be different this time. I'm telling you, I'm fast. I'm fast. Come on, baby. I'm fast.
Out of the corner, let's go! Out of the corner, come on!
What are you gonna do, huh? What are you gonna do?
Come on! Get him out of the corner, Tony, let's go! Come on, get out of the corner! Let's go! 1, 2, yeah!